Welcome. In this video, we will walk through installing Ubuntu Server OS on a Dell PowerEdge R740 Enterprise Server using iDRAC 9. To get started, log on into your iDRAC interface and launch the virtual console. Once the console is open, head up to the boot menu at the top bar and select Virtual CD DVD ISO as your boot device for the next restart. Next, open the Virtual Media menu and click on Connect Virtual Media. Now under the Map CD DVD option, click Browse or select Image File. To choose your downloaded Ubuntu Server ISO image. Selected. Click Map Device. You should now see the virtual media mounted right above the console window. With the ISO map, go to the Power menu at the top, click Power Cycle System Cold Boot and confirm the prompt. This will reboot the PowerEdge server so it picks up our virtual boot configuration. The system is now booting from the attaching ISO image, depending upon your network speed and remote connection bandwidth. Mounting and reading the ISO can take anywhere from 20 to 60 minutes. Once loaded, you will be greeted by the official Ubuntu installation menu. Proceed through the initial installation screens, selecting your language and keyboard layout as normal. When you reach the storage configuration setup, make sure to select your pre-configured RAID 1 virtual disk array for the OS installation. Next, enter your server hostname, set up your administrative username and create a strong password. On the package selection screen, be sure to check the option to install OpenSSH server so you can manage this node remotely later on. While the installer sets up the kernel and base packages. Once the installation completes and you see the reboot now prompt at the bottom, don't forget to head back to the virtual media menu and disconnect the virtual media. This ensures the server boot directly from the local disk next time. After a brief reboot cycle, your fresh Ubuntu OS installation will initialize and bring you right to the login prompt. You're all set. Thanks for watching.